I found the cutest wooden vintage camper birdhouse at Michael's. It was on sale for $4.99, so I decided to get it and do something really fun with this. I really wish I had one of these campers. I think it would be so fun to travel in. I am going to paint it some fun colors. I'm going to start with this aluminum silver paint here that I'm going to paint the top of the camper with. This is a super fun craft idea because the craft itself is small, so it won't take very long to get this done. Just making sure not to get paint on the little rope that you hang the camper up with if you should indeed use it as a birdhouse. I'm just going to use mine for decoration. I like the look of this aluminum color for the top of our vintage camper. Next, I am just using a straight edge and I'm going to make a horizontal line at the level of the window on both sides. For this part of the camper, I'm going to have two different colors. I am going to start with this fun blue color, and I'm going to use this color to paint the bottom portion of our camper. What a fun color! I really am liking this. Now we will turn it around and paint the back side, removing the sticker. A little camper twirling. Next, I will be painting the upper half of the camper white. I'm going to paint the door of our vintage camper aluminum as well. Now we're going to paint our little window black. Going to paint the tires, of course, black as well. Now for the fun part. Let's use some nickels as our wheels on our vintage camper. I absolutely loved doing this to coins as a kid. I am using E6000 to adhere our nickel to our camper. I loved it when I came up with this idea as I thought it would be very cute and very unique. So look how fun this Michael's wooden craft came out. From this to this adorable vintage camper with just a little paint and a nickel. And how fun. Makes me ready for summer.